All right, talk to your daddy. What do you want to say?
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And I love you.
And I love you.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Look at the camera.
Tell them what did you get a truck?
What'd you get?
Wave.
A truck.
You got a truck? And what else did you get?
Presents.
What kind of presents?
Barbie fight.
All of the presents.
All of the
You
presents?
got a laptop and a digital
Is he gonna
camera.
eat all of that?
And what else did you get? You got dress up clothes and a bike, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Truck.
Yeah.
You got all kind of good things, didn't you?
That's why I should ride at school.
That's what you're gonna ride to school?
Y'all gather around so we can say the message.
Say I love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Say I miss you.
Miss you.
Can't wait to see you.
Wait for see you.
Blow kisses to the camera. Blow kisses.
Can't see? No.